Shiba Inu borns on birds of exceeding 410 trillion. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. Shiba Inu finally getting close to beating this lasting threshold as the total number of coins born get closer to the symbolic 410 trillion milestone. Shiba Inu is once again raising questions about the supply squeeze potential it has. Of course, most of the meme token has a large supply, and one of the reason why the price is still stagnant because of the huge supply. So the developer of any meme token should warn large supply to decrease the supply in the circulation, and of course it will trigger the price to increase, because of the low supply and demand. Although this number may initially appear, the context is crucial, particularly for traders who may interpret it as bullish trigger. Of course, when the Bitcoin and Ethereum increase the price, of course, all the meme token will also increase, like the Shiba Inu. Remember, Shiba Inu is in the Ethereum ecosystem. The most recent tokenomics data indicates that between born mechanism inception in 2023, more than 410 trillion SHIB were taken out of circulation, most as a result of extensive born initiative. To increase the price, of course, you have to decrease the supply. High-profile incidents like Bitcoin Motorins notoriously born in the middle of 2021 and community-driven movements both serve as catalysts for these early borns. Remember, the Shiba Inu started at 8 zeros and now only 4 zeros. So because of this born, 410 trillion, Shiba Inu, maybe it will increase to 3 zeros after this year. However, the rate of the fire has slowed significantly since then, in the last 1 to 2 years seeing essentially no born activity. The born tracker currently indicates that 409 trillion SHIB have been born, but the impact on price action has been negligible despite the impending 410 trillion threshold. Okay? Remember, from the 8 zeros, the price of Shiba Inu increased, born to 4 zeros. So I think most of the investor only they gain huge profit. So the developer is also stagnant. Slow with their activity in boarding another trillion Shiba Inu tokens. The market has already factored in previous born, so SHIB deflationary narrative is unlikely to change sentiment unless there is a notable increase in the rate of borrowing. Following its inability to maintain momentum above 4016, SHIB is making an effort to stabilize around the 4015 level on the price chart. I think the highest price of Shiba Inu is 408. So recent rallies have been capped by 200 EMA, which also serve as resistance, confirming the narrow range that SHIB is currently locked in. Whether SHIB is able to maintain above support levels at 40124 to 40145 will determine the short-term outlook. After a steep drop last week, volume has somewhat recovered but is still below expectation for the year, because most investors expected that the Shiba Inu in this year will born 1 zero, so 3 zeros, signaling on impending breakout RSI. So the resistance indicator points to consolidation, indicating a neutral trend that is neither oversold or overbought. Meaning there is oversold, rally ups, high sold the investor, or there is also a impact of overbought. Most of the will start buying large amount of token. Although it is a significant turning point in SHIB Inu's larger depleted plan, the approaching 400 trillion bond mark is mainly ceremonial at this point. Short-term price change for SHIB are unlikely to occur unless there is a resurgence of investor interest and bonding momentum. Action, not just historical placement, is what the market wants. Okay? So meaning if the SHIB Inu will bond 400 trillion tokens and the price will increase at the level of 408 or at the level of 301, so more investor will likely push the price to higher level by buying more, or maybe in opposite direction, more of the buyer or the seller will also sold their hold token, no? So of course this is the market trend, but we will see the upcoming 410 trillion born of the SHIB. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this news. So I hope you learned something, and of course don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Crypto Joel, and of course don't forget to click the notification bell for more informative videos regarding the trend of any cryptocurrency and the crypto world. Okay, thank you and have a nice day to all.